Merry Christmas, everybody. We had an early Christmas. Family member gave a number of us the new Facebook portal so we could communicate with each other, since we were not going to be able to be together as family this Christmas with all the COVID stuff. So here's sort of a mini review. Facebook Portal Plus. The portal is a way that you can communicate. Sort of looks like either a tiny or an oversized iPad, and they have different models. You can communicate with family. It's a good way to stay in touch and do kind of a FaceTime thing. They have several models, like I said. There's a Portal TV model that works as smart video calling on your TV for $129 on sale now. Then there's a Portal 10-inch HD display for $129. Portal Plus is $229 on sale now. Portal Mini is on sale for $65. It's an 8-inch. The Portal Plus we're reviewing is smart video calling on a 15.6-inch display. It has a number of apps loaded. It also has Alexa. And you can make video calls with Facebook Messenger or the app WhatsApp. It'll support calls with Zoom, Workplace, BlueJeans, GoTo, WebEx meetings. And as I said, the Alexa is built in with your Amazon account. The Portal Plus has a 15-watt speaker, an array of 2-inch tweeters, and a 4-inch woofer for the deeper bass. 15.6 display. What else? It works with Wi-Fi. Those are some of the specs. Facebook Portal Plus. We're unpacking this. Unboxing. Here it is. We'll see how this works. So it looks like in the package. This is what it looks like. It's got a little lens cap here. You put over the lens for privacy. And of course you can do it landscape mode.
Here in this house for this is not right. The 22nd and the 23rd of December, and I'm sitting in this house.
Yeah.
I should be in Pittsburgh. It's the weirdest feeling.
Yep. So it's a pretty cool unit. You can, of course, FaceTime on Messenger or WhatsApp. And, you can put it's got a number of apps on there, or you can go to websites and put different things like YouTube and, all the different things. It has Amazon on there. Alexa's built in. So pretty cool unit so far. As you saw, we can kind of do the conference call thing. So it has some applications, I think, that will be like Zoom oriented. If you're teaching, might be a little better way to do stuff in real time, not have that delay that Zoom has. I don't know. I'm still investigating that. You can Facebook Live, of course. All those different things. It runs a slideshow. As you saw, it shows the time. So there's a lot of cool things about it. We're enjoying it. So get you one.